You lost again and again. Good. Because every time you fell and still got back up, that wasn't just your strength. That was God refusing to let you break there. So why do you care if they believe in you? This was never about them. This is about whether you remember who breathes life into your lungs. God does not keep a man standing for no reason. So why are you looking for approval like you are worth nothing? You've been chosen. You are not here to be liked. You are here to move when God says move, to stand when everything tells you to collapse.